In this video, we're going to show you how to navigate and control the 3D view in AutoCAD. Working in 3D allows you to visualize designs from different angles and gain a better understanding of how objects relate to one another in space. Whether you're creating architectural models, mechanical components, or engineering designs, being able to move around your model efficiently is an essential skill. Many beginners find 3D navigation challenging at first because the drawing is no longer limited to a flat 2D view. Without knowing the proper navigation tools, it can be difficult to inspect objects, make edits, or understand the overall design. The good news is that AutoCAD provides several simple navigation tools that make it easy to rotate, zoom, and move around your 3D model. By the end of this video, you'll learn the basic methods used to control the 3D view and work more comfortably in AutoCAD's 3D environment. So let's get started. The first method is to use Orbit. Hold down the Shift key and press the middle mouse button. Then move your mouse to rotate around the model. This allows you to view the object from different angles and better understand its shape. You can release the mouse button when you've reached the desired view. If you need to move around the drawing without rotating it, use Pan. Press and hold the middle mouse button and drag the mouse. This lets you reposition the view while keeping the same viewing angle. You can also use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out of the model whenever needed. Together, these tools provide most of the navigation functionality you'll use while working in 3D. In most situations, these are the main controls you'll need. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, use Shift plus middle mouse button to orbit around your 3D model. Second, use the middle mouse button to pan the view. And third, use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out as needed. Remember that effective navigation is one of the most important skills when working in a 3D environment. The easier it is to move around your model, the easier it becomes to inspect geometry and make accurate modifications. Practicing these navigation tools regularly will help you become more comfortable working with complex models and different viewing angles. As your projects become larger and more detailed, good navigation habits can save a significant amount of time and improve your overall workflow. It's a simple skill to learn, but it forms the foundation of nearly every 3D modeling task in AutoCAD. And that's how to navigate and control the 3D view in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.